Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to allow anyone to see your profile photo on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on More. This will open up additional menu options that give you access to various settings and features within Viber. Once you tap on More, you'll be taken to a new screen with several options. Look for Settings and tap on it. This is where you can customize how your Viber account works and adjust various preferences to suit your needs. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll through the options until you find Privacy. Tap on it to proceed. The Privacy section is crucial because it controls who can see your information and how visible you are to other users on the platform. This is where you'll manage your profile visibility settings. Inside the Privacy menu, you'll see an option labeled Show Your Photo. This setting specifically controls whether people can view your profile photo or not. By default, this might be unchecked, which means your photo is hidden from others. Go ahead and tap on Show Your Photo. Once you do, you'll notice it becomes checked. This simple action makes your profile photo visible to anyone on Viber, allowing other users to see your picture when they view your profile or chat with you. It's a great way to make your account more personal and recognizable to friends and contacts. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Viber privacy settings to allow anyone to see your profile photo. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.